In English, we say, good morning. In French, we say, bonjour. So, by the end of this video, you would have learned how to make 30 sentences in both English and French. So let us begin. In English, we say, how are you? In French, we say, comment allez-vous? In English, we say, what's your name? In French, we say, comment vous appelez-vous? In English, we say, my name is John. In French, we say, je m'appelle John. In English, we say, nice to meet you. In French, we say, enchanté. Enchanté if spoken by a woman. In English, we say, thank you very much. In French, we say, merci beaucoup. In English, we say, you're welcome. In French, we say, de rien.
In English, we say, please. In French, we say, s'il vous plaît. In English, we say, excuse me. In French, we say, excusez-moi. In English, we say, I'm sorry. In French, we say, je suis désolé. In English, we say, I don't understand. In French, we say, je ne comprends pas. In English, we say, can you help me? In French, we say, pouvez-vous m'aider? In English, we say, do you speak English? In French, we say, parlez-vous anglais? In English, we say, I don't speak French. In French, we say, je ne parle pas français. In English, we say, how much is this? In French, we say, combien ça coûte? In English, we say, where is the bathroom? In French, we say, où sont les toilettes? In English, we say, where is the train station? In French, we say, où est la gare? In English, we say, I would like a coffee, please. In French, we say, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît.
In English, we say, the book is on the table. In French, we say, le livre est sur la table. In English, we say, I'm hungry. In French, we say, j'ai faim. In English, we say, I'm thirsty. In French, we say, j'ai soif. In English, we say, I'm cold. In French, we say, j'ai froid. In English, we say, I'm hot. In French, we say, j'ai chaud. In English, we say, I'm 25 years old. In French, we say, j'ai 25 ans. In English, we say, I miss you. In French, we say, tu me manques. In English, we say, I love you. In French, we say, je t'aime. In English, we say, see you tomorrow. In French, we say, à demain. In English, we say, have a nice day. In French, we say, bonne journée. In English, we say, what time is it? In French, we say, quelle heure est-il? In English, we say, see you later. In French, we say, à plus tard. Now, how many of these sentences did you master? Tell us in the comments below and subscribe so that you will see my new videos.